In a forgotten village, whispers spoke of the Hiccup Man, a shadowy figure lurking in the woods. Legend said he controlled the diaphragm, causing relentless hiccups that drove victims mad. One night, Emily felt the first jolt, a hiccup. It echoed through her bones, each one more violent than the last. Her breaths became erratic, her vision blurred. The villagers watched, helpless, as she convulsed, the Hiccup Man's laughter echoing in the wind. As Emily's world faded, she realized the truth. The hiccups were a curse, a gateway to another realm. To hear more tales, hit like, comment, and subscribe.